myself. My name is Yunita Bano, but you can call me Uni. My student ID number is 258606306. I was born in Haukase on June the 2nd, 2007, so I am now 83 years old. I come from Haukase. I live in Laran. I have in hobby of writing. I am currently pursuing my heart's education at Institutional Pancasila Beijing School Teacher Education. I chose this major because I am very interested in Chirdao. My goal of studying here is to improve my knowledge and skill on while it develops my learning, motivation, and build my future career. I need this due to fulfill mid-semester examination requirement for the English course. That's all me. Education. Thank you very much for your attention. Bye bye.